Hello, everyone. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. And we wish you a very prosperous and successful 2025. Today, we'll be discussing the same strategy I've been talking about for the past week or week and a half. We will see the market states and the Magic Four strategy that is mostly based on two indicators and a bit of price action and candlestick patterns. All right. So after you finish watching this video on YouTube replay or live, you will be equipped to attack the binary options market with confidence and make a living out of it. This is important. We should stop being depositors and start being withdrawers. We need to withdraw money out of the system. So to do that, you have to watch till the end, have a pen and paper next to you, take screenshots, do whatever you like. But before taking the strategy and taking it with your real money, back test it on demo, forward tested on demo for at least 100 trades each, 100 back test trades, 100 forward test trades on demo, and then and only then move to live trading with your real money. Guys, the money that you have, it isn't easy money, you know. You didn't win the lottery. It isn't money that came out of the sky and dropped on you. You worked hard to get this money. If it's your family money or your own, don't don't treat that money easily. Don't let the market suck that money out of you easily because it can do that every single day and every minute. Today we had a binary options trading session with my VIPs. It was a bad session. We lost three trades. So these things can happen even to a professional like me. Um, that being said, we've been having winning days for the past month or even more. Losing days can happen. The most important is to do proper post analysis so you can at least detect why you lost those trades and get off the screen, get off the trading platform so you don't get into the revenge trading mode. You don't have to recover, you know, when you lose. Okay, fine, lick your wounds, come back tomorrow for another session. So, that being said, let's move to the whiteboard to explain the strategy. Okay, so to begin with, let's explain what are the market states. There are three market states that happen all over again in a cycle. You have a narrow state, the price is moving sideways in some sort of a support and resistance area. And then from this narrow state, the market has only two things to do: either go to a wide state to the upside, wide state, narrow state, or to a wide state to the downside. This is your trending state. Trending state. And then the market has only one thing to do: go back to a narrow state. And from down up to a narrow state. Sideways situation again. From this point, the market only has two choices to do. Two things: wide stake to the upside or a wide stake to the downside, back to a narrow state, let's say over here. Okay, we as binary options and forex traders, this is where we need to focus on our narrow states, because out of these narrow states we will decide whether to take a buy trade or a sell trade, a buy over here or a sell over here and here as well. The market has nothing else to do. From narrow to wide, back to narrow, back to wide, back to narrow, and from below as well. Wide, narrow, wide, trending state, and back to narrow state. And the cycle goes on and on and on. Okay, so now let me zoom in on this part of the market, the narrow state, and explain the magic four strategy. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit on this narrow state and go into the details of what are your signals, what are the candlestick patterns you need, what are the magic four, so you can uh, conquer the market and increase your win rate and start making money out of this aggressive market that we see ripping off 90% of retailers every single day. So that's a way out, guys. Okay, so this is your narrow state. Now let me begin by explaining the magic four. So what are your magic four? Let me write this over here. So what are the magic four? Okay, first you need an indicator on your chart, the 200 simple moving average. Second indicator is the 20 simple moving average. And third and fourth part of your magic state is the price, which is usually when you have this kind of situation will be somewhere over here. So you define your support and resistance levels, and you will see that the price is moving sideways. So these are your magic four. I will write them down over here. First is your 200 simple moving average. Plus your 20 plus your high and low of the sideways situation. So support plus resistance. What a handwriting. Let me make this SNR and your support and resistance. SNR. So these are your magic four. Right? So that out of the way, let me erase this this humiliating handwriting. It's very difficult to use this pen, by the way. So what are the now we will learn the candlestick patterns that out of which We will define if we're going to take a buy or a sell position. Now, this works for binary options and Forex. So, this could be a very beautiful strategy for you. Now, you have your magic four. First indication that you have a narrow state. Remember, we are studying the narrow state. Narrow market state. Narrow state. So this is how you define your narrow state. You have a 200 simple moving average and the 20 in blue simple moving average, and the price is moving sideways in a very tight, narrow situation. Okay, let me show you something on the charts so you can understand my point. See that over here? Where's my pen? Hold on, I pick a pen. So this is gold this morning, or last night. I'll show you something here as well. This is, let's say, Brent oil OTC. All right. So this is your narrow state. You see the price is moving in a very narrow situation. Change the color. You have your 200 and your 20 simple moving average very close together. And then out of this state came this beautiful engulfing bar. We will discuss that. 6 minutes, you have a win. Okay. In this case, for Forex, for gold, excuse me, this is your extremely narrow state. The 20 and the 200 are very close. We need a surging power bar, and this is your surging bar. 6 minutes trade, you have a win. And look at this push to the upside. Cash machine. Okay, let's go back here. So this is how you define your narrow state. Out of this narrow state, now we will study the candlestick patterns that you need to see for you to take a buy or a sell position out of this state. First, let's go for sell positions. The first pattern is the bullish, very strong power bar, red power bar. It might have a wick from the top or bottom, it's okay. The second is bearish. This one is bearish. The second is a strong bullish power bar, green bar. Also, it might have wicks, no problem. The third is a bottoming tail bar with a small body at the bottom, or a, topping tail bar in this case, or a bottoming tail bar over here that has a small body. So today we'll only talk about those two because these are the candlestick patterns that occur the most in the market. These bars will be responsible of 65% of your trades, and these over here will consist around, say, these will consist around 15 to 20% of your trades. Okay, so these two will be 80% of your plays all over the place in forex, stocks, binary options. Good. So now that we have any time these bars will occur in the market, the statistical advantage that you have using these bars. These two, when they happen in a powerful location such as this narrow state, they have an 85% follow through rate. That means when you see those two candlestick patterns, one of those two happening over here, you can expect more red to come 8 to 9 times out of 10, or more green to come 8 to 9 fives out of 10. Uh, 8 to 9 times out of 10. For bottoming and topping tail bars, you have around an 80% follow through rate. So 8 out of 10 times when these happen in this area over here, is it bottoming or topping tail bar, you expect an 8 out of 10 times the follow through rate to the upside or to the downside. All right, I'll keep those here for reference. So let me remove the drawings here. So how does this happen actually on the chart? You will see something like this. You will see, in case of a buy, you have three situations that might happen. You will see a power green bar surging from the 20 simple moving average. It should be sizable and strong. It has speed, it has violence. It should be bigger than any green bar you see to your left side, 5 to 12 bars over here in your narrow state, in your sideways movement. You enter your trade over here the last 30 to 15 seconds. For OTC, I'm tending to wait more towards the last 15 seconds because you want to make sure that this bar will not push back on you to the downside. You need to make sure it is a strong, powerful power bar. Okay. The second location is anywhere close to the 200, like this. You enter here the last 15 seconds, or it could happen anywhere near in the vicinity of the 20 and the 200 and your narrow state price data over here. And you enter here. 4 to 6 minutes. Take 6 minutes trades. Buy in this case. Buy trades. Now for sell situation, same concept, but this time you need to see a power red bar. So it will be surging off of the 20. Clumsy drawing. Off of the 20. Now don't bring the ruler, okay, and start measuring where it's coming from. It might start over here or somewhere over here. No problem. You're okay as long as it's clearing anything to the left side. It's big in size. You enter 6 minutes. Second position is off the 200, as if the 200 or the 20 is its source. Or your third situation is somewhere close to the 20, 200, and your price data. Perfect. So these are your entry points here, and here, and here. Okay, easy, simple. Now for the second candlestick pattern, which are the bottoming and topping tail bars, for a sell position, you should see something like this. Your entry point is you have to wait for the, remember we are using the 2 minutes candles. This strategy works on anything, 2, 5, 15 minutes candles, any chart time frame. 1 minute and below, it's a bit too noisy. So I prefer 2 minutes and above. So for this pattern, your entry point is when you see the next candle open, the moment it beats, it goes down below the closing price over here. This is your entry point. Let's say you have this candle here, your entry point is over here. the moment it beats it. Your second option is off of the 20 simple moving average and somewhere in the vicinity of the 20 and 200 simple moving average. Easy. For a buy, same situation. It could be generating or surging off of the 20, the 200, or from the 20, or somewhere close by. Easy, isn't it? So this over here is your narrow state. This is how you define it. You have your 200 moving average in pink. You have your 20 in blue. And you have your price data, your candles moving in a narrow situation. You define your support and resistance. So S and R. These are your four. And always, you should see the 20 close, very close to the 200 simple moving average. Like in this case, they are very close together. They might be sometimes overlaying each other as if they are on the beach, taking sunbathing. Okay, so that's it. You take a 6 minutes position whenever you see any of those three situations happening. Okay, so let me show you this morning. This morning, the forex market was amazing. I'll show you. This is my gold trade. I showed it to you earlier. Let me show you something else. Look at this. Okay. So let me use green. See this narrow state? Your 200 is very close to the 20. So you have 1, 2 of your magic 4. And look at the price. This is the swing low. And what was your entry point? Look at this. You see a power bar surging off of your narrow state. I'm using here 3 minutes. You enter the last 30 seconds over here. For binary options, 6 minutes you have a win. Binary forex traders, you enter over here. This is your entry point. You protect yourself 1 penny above your entry bar over here. Come on. This is your entry point. This is your stop loss. And look at this cash machine, guys. Fantastic. Look at this. Listen to the machine. So if you want to calculate how much money could you make from this move, so let's bring a short position. This is your entry point. That's your stop loss. We need to shoot for a 2 to 2.5. I mean, come on, look at this. Beautiful. 8:10 to 8:27, around 15 minutes. You have your money in the bag. Now, of course, situation, I will trail my stop loss and continue reaping the rewards. It gave a 1 to 6 risk reward ratio, guys. It's fantastic. You can look for a close demand area, for example. So look at this point over here. There's a strong demand area. So you can set your take profit over here. Okay. Beautiful, isn't it? Look over here as well. Look at this narrow state. Your 20 and 200 are extremely close. The price is moving in a sideways situation. You have your swing high and swing low, and you see this power bar surging over here. You enter. You don't think, you don't doubt, you don't hesitate. Look at this beautiful entry. You enter here. You, whenever you have a candle close to the moving averages, select your stop loss close to the 20 or 200. So in this case, the 20 is your stop loss. This is your entry point. Let's see how much money we could have made out of this one. Long position, you entered over here. That's your stop loss. Okay, your stop loss is at the 20 moving average. I mean, guys, it's fantastic. You can shoot for the your previous key demand area, supply area. So you have a 2.6 risk reward at this case. You can shoot for a previous also supply area. So in this case, your risk reward is 1 to 3.35. If you are still, if you see that kind of a powerful momentum, you can shoot for more. And that's it. That's it. Don't get greedy and shoot for this one over here. See, do it step by step. So in this case, you will have a 1 to 4.75, which is beautiful, honestly. And how much time? Now look at this. The beauty of the strategy if it is that it is so powerful. It gets you in and out quickly from the market. You won't see trades taking more than an hour and a half or 2 hours. Most of the time, you'll be in and out within 30 to 45 minutes. So this trade took from 1:40 a.m. to 1:57, around 15 to 17 minutes. See how beautiful this is? Amazing. So let's move to the binary options charts and take a few trades together. Okay, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Use the live chat box or the comments box below. Let's see if we can find beautiful setups. I'll show you for binary options. Look at this. You need to train your eyes. Your eyes should be able to detect those narrow states and those surging bars automatically. You should be you should have something called unconscious competence. So look at this beautiful thing over here. Boom, you enter. 6 minutes, you have a win. Look at this surge. Fantastic. Throw over here. Have your win. This is your entry point. Let's see what's happening. This is nice. Relatively narrow state. The price is moving sideways. Let's wait for the last 30 to 15 seconds to take a trade on this. 6 minutes. You see how the market moves from a narrow state to a wide state. A wide state is when your 20 is far away from the 200. Let me see if we can. It's rejecting. However, if I see a pushback to the downside, I'll take it. It doesn't seem like we're gonna. Oh, it does. I take sell. Let's find something else. We are late on this. Very low payout. And avoid those. Very nice. Very nice. You see? Beautiful. Narrow state. Look at these topping wicks out of this area. If I see a surging red bar here, I'll jump on it like a lion. Let me set an alarm. I'll take this one preferably for a sell. Beautiful. It's happening. So you have your sideways situation here. Your 20 is close to 200. You only need a power bar, which is happening right now. Yes, that's it. I'll take it. Let's see something else. Beautiful. Beautiful. Take this one as well. See? Narrow state. Power surging bar. Look at this beautiful drop. See that? Beautiful. Guys, if you are watching us on YouTube replay, please subscribe, click that like button. If you have any questions, use the comments box. If you want to join our trading team on Pocket Option, all the links you need are in the description box. Also, if you would like to contact me personally, my Telegram contact is also in the description box. Look at this beauty over here. However, the 200 is heavily inclined to the downside. I rather not take this one for a sell, for a buy. I rather take it for a sell. So I'll set my alarm over here. Here. Okay. I need the clear and something to push below the 20. I enter. Look at this beauty. Come on, look at this. Narrow state, sideways situation, surging power bar, boom, 6 minutes, you have a win. The price will push to the upside eventually. Very low payouts today. Don't know why. Very low payouts. See this? Love it. Enter here. 6 minutes. You have a win. Now, if it comes back, power surge, can take sell here. Let me also set this up. Your sell will be very powerful if this happens. I'll explain why. See, this is a powerful bar. If it gets wiped out by a red bar, you go with the sellers. I'll set an alarm. Look at this. Come on. Beautiful. Look at this. Magic 4. Market is moving in a narrow state. Support resistance. You have a power bar surging. You enter over here. 6 minutes. You have a win. The price is still pushing upwards. Should be extra careful when trading the OTC. Look at this. Beautiful. Relatively narrow state. Price is moving sideways. Have your surging bar. 6 minutes. Look at the price. Cash machine. Let me refresh this page. This one was very close. This one is beautiful. Look at this beautiful drop. Look at this, guys. Isn't it amazing? Let me see the CHF. That's a shame. That's a shame. That's a winning trade. Beautiful surge. I'll take one here. Wiped out. This powerful green bar. So in this situation, we go with the sellers. Let me add a few more pairs. Let's see if we have some high payouts. Okay, let's see what we got. Come on, look at this beautiful. Beautiful. You can take the trade over here at the close. Over here. See? This guy wiped out this powerful buyer. The sellers are pushing. You have a strong power bar. This thing has an 85% follow through rate when it happens in this situation. Look at this beautiful setup. Look at this beautiful setup. We can take a buy over here. Fantastic. This has 4 minutes left, no problem. Okay, let's find something. This is still playing out. We need a red candle to close somewhere here. We'll be safe. Look at this beautiful, beautiful push. See, this is the USD CHF live market. You have a sideways situation. Price is moving sideways. You have an extremely narrow state. The 20 is extremely close to 200. You have a surging bar. Let me zoom in a little bit here. You have a surging power bar wiping out everything you see over here. It's bigger than this one, this one, this one. It's a little bit close to this one in terms of size. So you jump on it. These are going to be the last two trades for today. This is nice. We need to see this candle pushing a little bit down and we'll secure it. Come on. Come on. Let's see the USD, Swiss franc. Beautiful. Come on, guys. Fantastico. Amazing. Beautiful. Look at the surge. So if you are trading Forex for USD CHF, this would be your entry point. Entry point, stop loss, cash machine. Let's see this. Beautiful. Look at this. This is your entry point if you are trading Forex. Stop loss, cash machine. Beautiful, beautiful win. Fantastic. Love it. Look at the surge. Look at the surge. Whenever you have a power bar out of a narrow state, don't hesitate. Jump on it. That's the win. Let's see the Swiss franc. Ooh, come on. Beautiful surge, beautiful increase in price. Fantastic. I love it. See, when you follow your strategy to the letter, yes, you might lose some, but overall you'll be in a winning situation. So till now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the eighth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 8, guys. 7 winning trades out of 8. Thing moved 6 pips already. So this is your entry. This is around 1.5 pips or 2 pips. So you already made 1 to 3 risk reward if you are doing this on Forex. Thank you for watching. This was a beautiful training. We talked about strategy. We took a few trades, so very decent. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. We have three, 6 out of 8. 6 out of 8 winning trades. If you are a trader, a binary options trader, whenever you have these results, stop trading for the day. You already have you made your living already. So don't get greedy. Stay responsible. Thank you for watching this live. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.